Shout out to 100%. This is what I do all day, every day of the week. Shout out Nike. Shout out Under Armour. I'm grateful to be here, and I'm happy to put in the work that I'm putting in, and keep recording. I'm gonna shout out Nature Valley. This is what I've been using as fuel for protein. See the Nature Valley protein bar, peanut butter dark chocolate. That's me. So this is what I use to fuel myself. Nature Valley. Nature Valley. Make sure you get yours today, and continue to strive for more. The 1% is about giving you 100% in the gym, in fitness in general, and with the dumbbells. So you can get the dumbbells up to the right angle, where it's considered a rep. You're on top of the world. So shout out Nature Valley. Make sure you guys copy something. Shout out Nike again. And if you give me full body right now, that's cool. And a lot of people will plotting your downfall, but make sure you're just doing what you got to do. You know what I'm talking about? There's some evil people out there.